we are at Roosevelt Field Mall, attempting to do some Christmas shopping and go see Santa Claus.
Yeah, but if you think about it, you got 3 clothes and 4.
Pretty cold out, as you can see. My hair is everywhere. Who is that? Who is that? You see Santa Claus? Ho, ho, ho. Mira. You don't see Santa Claus? Look. You don't see him? Look. She's distracted by the noise. Is that Santa Claus? Ho, ho, ho. You see Santa Claus? Are you saying ho, ho, ho? You see him? Yeah! That's Santa Claus! That's Santa Claus, Yana. Ho, ho, ho. Look right there, look. Whoa.
Those reporters.
Oh, really? Where? I want to be on the news. We have a face to be on right now. Cranky pants. Oh. Sorry. She knows how to escape already. You hold it, you gotta hold it for the whole time. Remember.
Yeah, look at it.
She don't want to walk everywhere. Baby, you should with Mimi.
Mira, you wanna watch TV? Wanna watch a movie? Wanna watch a thing?
Oh, let's go Mimi. Oh, my underwear. My underwear's all out. So Newsday just came up to us and asked Ziana talks because they wanted to have her see what she wanted on her Christmas list, but this little 18-month-old doesn't talk yet, huh? Darn it. Could have been Daily News famous. Under the tree we go. Ziana, where are you? Wow. Where'd you go? Well, unofficial Santa pictures, but nonetheless.
Wow, you're inside the Christmas tree?
Wow. Are you excited to see Santa Claus, Yana? Where are you going?
You there yet? Oh, we're next.
We're next. I'm so excited! I'm more excited than Ziana! I wish you knew. What are you doing? Oh,
you see him? Oh. Here we go. Oh. That's it, we're gonna open the tree. You're gonna go up in the tree. You're gonna go up in the tree.
Ziana.
Just pass me.
Yay! Ziana. Hi, Santa.
Is that Santa?
Was that Santa Claus, Ziana? I'm recording. Sorry.
That's okay.
Okay.
Recording?
see how these pictures turn out. A hot mess. It's like terrified. Okay. Third one. And then it's like the best one. I think the one before it. This one? Right, babe? Very busy today at Macy's. It was horrible experience. Cranky baby crying the whole time, so it wasn't enjoyable at all. We did get something from my nephew, my brother, and my dad.
And 7 tap. Now we're going to demonstrate the step with our partners. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and 3 tap. 5 and 6 and 7 tap. So notice this step is very interactive, so you have to make sure to look at your partner.
Look at that.
Just have a good vibe with each other.
Ladies, no es
Ese mira para abajo. Cuando baila, baila.
No, dale.
Cuando bailas con uno, así baila. Le baila un ratito así, después está. Yo estoy perdida, no sé ni para dónde va. Yo tengo que tratar de verlo y moverme como él se está moviendo, porque él se va para otro sitio. La deja uno ahí. Él no sabe bailar, él no sabe que con la pareja él tiene que estar bailando y mirando. Sí,
Conexión. Él mira para abajo.
No, era
Yo miro para abajo.
Solo se cararea. Solo se cararea. La deja uno ahí. Solamente cuando está afanando es que está ahí.
El baile solo. Sí, tienes el baile solo.
2, 3, here. Okay? Right in front of you.
Sí, no así, de que sea la y pegar ahí, de que se pegara la pierna, no así, separada.
Es el otro.
Shuffle 5, 6, 7, and
Dale, dale.
Sí, incluso tiene
Ajá.
push back, push, and 3 pose.
What the hell?
7 and 1, 3 and 5 and 6 and 1 and inside turn. One more time.
Aquí hay que agarrar.
no tengo que agarrar de las leches.
Ya son.
As much fun with it as possible. And practice
Sí que no.
stepping your feet quickly around. And
Y te saca la de aquí.
That looks so hard. So romantico. Can you jiggle? Can you juggle?
Yeah, right there.
So get something for here.
Needs to be of equal size, you weirdo.
No, it doesn't. So you're not a real juggler then.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. What are you doing with my shoes, kid? Hey! Here, hold this. You wanna walk? Oh, my you saw my thong. Okay, look. Look, Ziana. Okay, let's go like this. Look, look. Oh. Oh. Can you walk? Whoa.
Sitting right on the right
You see
feet,
her?
Mom.
Yeah, they are. They're not. Wow. Look at you, Divalicious. You can see her walking in them? You see the feet?
But not anymore.
Oh, yay! You want to come to Mama? Walk this way. Her butt's sticking out. She likes it. Watch her. Yo, she oh my god! My super Victoria's Secret model! Yeah, girl. Yay!
Okay, I think we had enough.
She's gonna get mad if you take them off.
Wait.
See, you don't
Why are
do
you
that
kissing
to
me?
models. She's like, don't take them off, Dada. Please don't take them off. Barracaca. Yay!
Wanna hang?
You're officially a runway model.
Wanna hang?
Something mommy could never do.
Hold on tight. Hold on tight.
Mas?
That's what I do for the vlogs. It's kind of like child abuse.
No, it's not. Hey, you want to say goodbye to Carlitos?
Where's Tony? Where's Tony?
She's gonna get confused. She's like, who the hell is this
Where's Tony?
Carlitos guy?
Oh, that's Tony.
Hi! Say goodnight!
Say goodnight, Tony. You guys
Tony.
go. Mwah.
Beso, dale beso. Besito.
Blow Tony a kiss. Blow him a kiss.
Robadoni.
Blow him a kiss. Say goodnight, Tony. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, fine. Say bye, Tony. Say bye, Tony.
If what? She talks Spanish?
I didn't say that. Don't twist my words and put the camera on right when I speak.
So what'd you say?
She needs to be grown up in English language too. So you can speak Spanish to her all day long, but I'm speaking English.
No, you've been doing good talking to her in
Well,
Spanish.
we can't do that.
But she's Spanish.
She's also English.
Was she from England?
There's a little bit in the genes.
Ooh. Brushing time, family time. This is where we have our family time.
You're yelling.
Oh, sorry.
There's dead people in our tub.
There's dead people in our tub.
Shut up and polish. Shut up and polish some teeth. Wash your mouth. You want to give mommy a kiss or turn off the lights?
Paga la luz.
No, turn off the lights.
Paga la luz.
Yeah, turn off the lights.
Paga la luz. Paga la luz.
Turn off the lights, Yana. Good girl.
Yay! Buena chica.
Good job, girl.
Buena chica. Good night, baby girl. Good night, Buddha Belly.